In our lesson today, we are asked to find the lettered angles. And the lettered angles we have here are angle S, Y, U, R, and V. These are the lettered angles. And the known angles we have here is angle 62 and angle 41. So we are going to use these two angles to find the unknown angles. We can decide to find U first by using the sum of angles on a straight line, which is equal to 180. And we can decide to find either S or R first using alternating angles. And in alternating angles, the angles are equal. What it means is that the angle here is equal to angle here. Angle S and angle 41 are alternating. Likewise, angle 62 and angle R. And since alternating angles are equal, it means that our S is equal to 41. So we have S equals to 41. Our S is equals to 41. Likewise, our R is equals to 62. Now, we have gotten our angle S and our angle R. Now, we can find either angle U, Y, and V next. But let's find angle U. Finding angle U, we are using sum of angles on a straight line. So what it means that the theta angle here and here is equals to 180. So we are going to have 41 plus U is equals to 180. U equals to 180 minus 41, which should give us our U is equals to 139 degrees. Now we have found our angle S, our angle R, and our angle U. Remaining angle Y and angle V. The same thing goes to angle V. We can use sum of angles on a straight line. Finding our V, we have V plus 62 equals to 180. V equals to 180 minus 62, which should give us V equals to 118. Now the final angle for us to find is angle Y. And we can find angle Y in two ways. We can use angle on a straight line, that is adding these two angles together and minus them from 180 to give us Y. Or we can equally use sum of angles in a triangle, which is equals to 180. Adding these two angles together and minus it from 180. Okay, but we are using sum of angles on a straight line. Either one will still give you the same answer. Y plus 41 plus 62 equals to 180. Adding these two angles together, we are going to have y plus 103 equals to 180. So our angle y will be 180 minus 103, which will give us final answer as y equals to 77 degrees. Now we have gotten our angle S, our angle U, our angle R, our angle V, and our angle Y. If you have any question to ask, you can comment it and we are going to look into it.